啊，保不齐啊，不要吓我。
So, hello everyone, how's your day going? I'm Tony from BSM. So, hello everyone, how's your day going? I'm Tony from BSM and I am currently working as a product manager. I am excited to be here with all of you today, and we are going to dive into the world of digital dentistry and intraoral scanners. So, digital dentistry is revolutionizing how dental care is provided, making process faster, more accurate, and much more patient-friendly. And intraoral scanners play a crucial role in this transformation, enabling dentists to capture precise 3D images of the mouth without relying on traditional molds. This technology not only elevates the quality of dental care but also enhances the patient experience by reducing discomfort and saving time. As digital tools like intraoral scanners become increasingly common, they are truly reshaping the landscape of modern dentistry. So here I show you two pictures to do a comparison with the digital and traditional impression method, or even the whole workflow of the dentistry. So the first picture shows you the way of the traditional impression. So you can see it's very time consuming and often uncomfortable for the patient because you have to do the impression, do the model pouring, and do some setting. So it spends like over 1 or 2 hours, and it makes your patient's throat very uncomfortable if you have experience of that. And if you use a intraoral scanner, so it captures highly detailed digital impressions of the patient teeth and oral structures. So that's not invasive, and it's very comfortable, and it's fast and efficient. So here is another detailed comparison. You can see from the left to right the way has been changed from the trace, such as using the arginate or silicone rubber and the model scanners to intraoral scanners, and from the plaster models to digital models. And we can say that the way has been changed from indirect to direct, from the monochrome to true color. And here let's have a look of our BSM Scan M3. This is our new product, and here I show you two pictures and three parameters. So first of all, you can see the design. I believe it will shows you a very elegant and ergonomic design because you see it has a streamlined shape which can make you very comfortable if you hold this. And also the parameters here, firstly is the weight. So it weighs only 228 grams. It's very lightweight and compact. It's easy to hold, and it can be used in various scenarios. And the accuracy would be 10 microns, which is computing the most advanced technology in the industry. And also the scanning speed would be 18 frames per second, which enables you to get a reliable result in small moments. So you may wonder what were the exact advantages of our BSM Scan. So I would like to introduce it in 6 points. They are design, they are high performance tips, and we have a full stack self development team. And the performance, we can describe it as high speed, high accuracy, and we have this quality assured, right? And we also have a strong service team which can empower your intraoral scanner. So the BSM scanner boasts a thoughtful ergonomic design that prioritizes user experience and workflow efficiency. So you can see we have a streamlined shape, right? And we also have a multi-function button which can enable you to control the whole scanning process without touching any mouse click or keyboards, which is very helpful when you do the operation. And also we have a sentry function which can enable you to check the 3D quality, like play a video game. You can just hold your scanner and just rotate or move the 3D model and to check the data quality 360 grades. That's very helpful. And you may wonder how we can say it's tiny and how we can say it's very lightweight. So here I tell you why. So we took some pictures to do the comparison for our BSM Scan and with other different commonly used brands on the market, such as iTero, such as Merit, and such as 3Shape. So compared with all of those different products, so our product, its size is only half of them, right? It's very obviously here. And also we have also taken some other pictures to do this comparison. So in that picture we have tried a lot of different kinds of brands, and we just hold them like hold a pen, which is regarded as a standard pose to use these products. And I am comfortable, our products would be the most comfortable products because it's the only one which is very tiny and has the streamlined shape. And also you can see the texture, the texture outside is metallic, and other products, they seems like a plastic. So we can say it's very elegant, right? And the next one would be the high performance tips. So we have 3 tips, which is called M tips, normal tips, and D tips. So the M tips is for the method scanning, which is used mostly when you scan the number 1 or number 2 teeth. And for the N tip, we call it normal tips, which can handle over like 95% of the case. And the T tips is for scanning the distal. For example, if you are doing orthodontic scanning, and you can use these D tips to scan the like number 7 teeth, I think it would be very convenient if you use these D tips to scan that teeth. And we also have a rapid, we also can enable a rapid capture function according to tips, because we design a tiny size scanner, and normally the tips should fit the size of the scanner, which have to sacrifice the field of vision. But our strong development team has compensated this stuff, design a such tiny size tips without sacrifice the field of vision, because we all know that the bigger is the field of vision, the faster is the scanning speed. And so thanks for our strong development team. There are too many details to show how great is our developers, because we design a such great tips without sacrifice any performance. And we have a low entry height, it's only 14 millimeters, and we have a flexible depth of field, which is from 0 to 20 millimeters. And also we have another function to make it be comfort and to ensure the comfort and safety of our scanners. For example, we designed an anti-fog function which equipped the quick hitting functions. So normally if you use other products such as Shiny 3D or something other products, so you always need to do a preheat, but our tips it doesn't need it, right? Because you can just plug and play. That's our advantage of this high performance tip, and it's also safe to control because we have used high performance materials which can enable you to sterilize these tips in high temperature and high pressure environments. And also it's very cost effective. According to my knowledge, I think our tips would be the most cost effective tips on the market. And at the core of BSM's intraoral scanners is a commitment to full stack self-development. So this means that every aspect of the product, from the initial design to the final manufacturing and software integration, is handled entirely in-house by BSM's talented team of engineers and technicians. So this level of control and vertical integration ensures seamless quality, performance, and innovation across the entire system. So I have shown you the design, and also we have our own factory to do the manufacturing stuff ourselves. And now it's time to have a look of our software. So this would be a 3 points of our software. So our BSM intraoral scanners feature cutting-edge software powered by complex algorithms that optimize data capture, processing, and integration for maximum efficiency and precision. And for the software interface, we have spent like 5 years to refine to update the user experience. So this software is designed with user in mind and providing a seamless and great experience for dental professionals to capture, manage, and analyze intraoral data. Also, our software development team is dedicated to ongoing research, innovation, and refinement, which means it can ensure that the intraoral scanning software remains at the forefront of digital dentistry technology. We are improving ourselves with you together, with our products together. So let's talk about our core patent, which is called 3D gaze scanning technology. So before I really introduce our technology, I would like to introduce two conventional technology, which is called laser confocal technology and structured light technology. So the laser confocal technology uses a focused laser to scan and create detailed 3D images by only capturing light from the exact spot it focuses on, making the image very clear. And the structured light technology projects patterns like grid or stripes onto an object, and the pattern distorts based on the object's shape. And the cameras capture this distortion to build a 3D model. So those two different technologies, they have their own obvious advantage and disadvantage. For example, if you are using the laser confocal technology, for example, like the products produced by 3Shape, the Trio series, the advantage would be very accurate and fast. But to realize this, you have to spend a lot of money to acquire the high performance parts, and also it's hard to maintain because it has a high requirement for the montage. For example, if you just do some small strike to the products and maybe something unexpected thing is happen, and you have to spend like thousands of dollars to maintain this used products. I think it's not cost effective. And also you see, to realize this technology, you have to you have to equip a lot of parts, such as the laser light source. You have to equip a bigger object lens. You have to equip some bigger sensories and bigger optical parts. So which means the size of your products would be very bloated. And I believe you have that in mind, because I believe you have seen about the products produced by 3Shape, right? They are kind of big, right? And also the structure light, they have its advantages. It's very cost effective because you just need to buy some projectors, and the light source would be more cheaper. And also you can acquire accurate data. And also it's easy to maintain because you just maybe you just need to change a projector or to change some cheap cameras. But the disadvantage is, like, if you are using this technology to project some black and white stripes, so you have to use like more than 8 or 24 images because it's not coded. This structure light is not coded. So in that case, it's not suitable for dynamic objects and it's very time consuming. So and the scanning speed would be kind of slow because you need more images to build a 3D model. So in that case, we also in our field we have a impossible triangle, which means if you wanna keep the speed and accuracy of your products, so you have to sacrifice the size and the cost. And if you wanna ensure the size and the cost, also the accuracy, you have to sacrifice the speed. So in that case, we are coming. So our team and our products, our BSM Scan, we are the one to make the impossible to possible. We are connected this impossible triangle. So this is our core patent, 3D gaze structure light. So with the application of our own design chip equipped with the 3D gaze coded structure light algorithm, our device can build an object with only 1 or 2 images, which can achieve a high accuracy with very few images. In another way, we improve the scanning speed. So it means we will develop an advanced algorithm that optimizes hardware performance, significantly reducing manufacturing and maintenance costs. And it also enables the device to be free to calibrate, and we own such strong development team, and I am confident that we will offer you great scalability and service in the future. So that's the reason why we can make it so tiny and make it so accurate and make it so cost effective, because we have a great software and algorithm development team. That's our technology. So like our slogan says, the technology creates the best smile. And here I would like to show you a small video to show how fast is our intraoral scanners.
咱们现场呢是用 Panda Air 进行口内的一个扫描，大家可以看到，全程的扫描速度是非常流畅的啊。当前上颌基本上完成，它的扫描速度10秒钟完成上颌的一个扫描啊，10秒钟，帧数呢234帧啊，这是咱们现场的一个情况。那么
So let's do explanation. So we just finished a aperture in 10 minutes to finish this scan. I think it's very fast, and you have seen the performance, right? It's true colored, right? And it's very detailed 3D model. So I am confident about the performance of our products. And here I would like to show you the function of our software, because our software is suitable for many different kinds of cases. For example, in the restoration part, you can use our backup. You can use our pre-operation and scan function to do a backup for the design, and you can also use our software to do the undercut inspection to assure the quality. And you can also to illustrate the marking line by our products, by our software, to avoid the problem in the future. And also you can do a occlusion measurements by our software, and you can do a effective prediction. Also, in case of digital implants, based on just introduced functions, we have other functions such as you can create the hole to enable you to scan the scan body, and later it was easy and freely. And also we have a function called slide protection to prevent sticking problems. And you can also scan a 3D model which is pre-implant, and you can always back up your data, right? And also you can use our function to scan the interface scan body, because sometimes the scan body they're not parallel, right? They would be interfaced, and in that case your data would be would be affected, and you may cannot get a great data. And we have this function to enable you to scan the interface, the scan body respectively, and then our algorithm will process this data and summarize them very perfectly. And then we have our software in asynchronic communication module, which is a multi-module, multi-end available. So first of all, we have our asynchronic simulation function, and you can just do a simulation for your customers and to see how this asymptotic would be in the future, like 3 months, 6 months, or 10 months. And you also can see the section view. You can assess the occlusion, and also you can measure the distance. And you can also do some diagnostic. For example, you can compare the true color with the monochrome. It's very realistic and efficient. And you can also share the medical report by one click. And also you can do a comparative monitoring. You can do a multi-dimensional analysis. And we also developed a smart cloud for you. You can do the case preview, you can do the communication, you can manage your case, and you can also store your data in our cloud, which can secure your data, always be safe. So here is a one page for BSMI M3, and all of the features are shown here. So from design to technologies, so much details are integrated into such tiny device. And believe me, more and more funny functions is coming soon, just stay tuned. Okay, so I just finished the part of the BSMI M3, and actually we offer you another very exciting product, which is named the BSMI M5. So I will provide a detailed introduction of our BSMI M5 building on the BSMI M3. The M5 features a smaller size and a better performance. First, we have upgraded the algorithm. This product is equipped with our newly developed OOS algorithm to contract camera's distortions during the imaging process. And our algorithm has already limited the camera distortion to within 0.1 pixels. And our design philosophy is that, Okay. So, and based on our product name, I have assigned a manifold attribute to each letter to aptly describe the features of our products. So first, B means Blitz, which is German, represents the flash. That means our product can finish scanning very fast because the scanning speed would be 24 frames per second, and you can finish it in 2 minutes. And also it's very convenient, which can present by S. The S it means small, which means our product has an elegant size and a design with convenience and comfort. You see the length of it's only like 22 centimeter, and the weight is only 138 gram. And the M is meticulous, which define our products as high performance device with 7 micrometers accuracy and 5 microns precision. And the M series means modern. So this device is a single line connection design, which is totally portable. Also, the 5 means 5 dB. With these products, you can enjoy the almost a silent experience during scanning, as the noise level is below 5 dB. Additionally, its cooling efficiency is 200% higher compared to other products. And now, okay, so I just introduced how great is our product, and you may wonder how dare you can say it, right? Because there's no examples, there's no samples. You cannot just tell me how great is your product and without any testing. So now I will tell you why, and I will tell you how much testing we have did, and how we can say the quality is assured. So the BSM intraoral scanners undergo extensive testing to ensure the highest levels of quality and reliability. So this involves both laboratory and real-world evolutions to validate performance across a wide range of conditions. And BSM scanners are designed and manufactured to comply with all relevant regulatory and quality standards, ensuring patient safety and optimal clinic outcomes. And also, the detailed data analysis is conducted to verify the accuracy and precision of the 3D scans captured by BSM scanners, meeting or exceeding industry standards. So here I will show you many kinds of different cases which is handled by our BSM scan. So this is a 4-mouth section denture primary impressions. You can see here there's almost no teeth. There's almost no teeth on the gingiva, right? And we made it. We do this impression very successfully. And also we have tested it in a patient with limited mouth opening, because normally we say when we use these products, the space within the mouth is normally very limited, and we all know that the more space within the mouth, the more comfortable you will feel, and the better result you will get. But in that case, how could we do if the patients only have very limited mouth opening? Okay, the solution is we offer you a very tiny and ergonomic design products, which is BSM Scan, right? And then you can just get a very comfortable feelings, very comfortable experience when you use our products, even if in a so limited mouth. And this is another case. We just use our scan to get a undercut. And also this is a case for aesthetic full crown restoration of anterior teeth. And this is another aesthetic veneer restoration of anterior teeth case. And also this is a aesthetic anterior implant restorations. And this is a posterior terminal implant restorations. You can see here we get the scan body here very clearly. And normally the metal, the metal material is not so easy to be scanned, but we made it. And this is a maxillary and mandibular all-on-6 immediate implant restorations. You can see we just bring a great smile to this patient, right? And I think this case would be very impressed, because this is a cleft lip and palate repair surgery for only 3 months old infant. It's not even a baby, it's infant. So it proves again how great is our design, because a infant, if your product is not great enough to apply your tiny size and to make this infant be really comfortable, so this infant would not be cooperated when in the scanning, and you cannot get a result such great, right? And this is another cleft lip and palate repair surgery for a 9-year-old child. And this is a orthodontic implant. This is a case for orthodontic implant, and I think from this case to this case you may see some changes, right? The color would be more truly. So that's the improvement, because we have collected these cases in the past years, and in this time our team, our products, our software, and they are all in improvement, right? So trust me, in the future, and all of the functions, all of the performance would be improved better and better. and this is the base. So the last point would be the service empower, because at BSMile we empower our customers with comprehensive service and support. Our team of experienced professionals provides seamless integration, customized training, and ongoing maintenance to ensure your practice operates at peak efficiency. So with BSMile, you can count on reliable service, so you can get a responsive support and a commitment to your long-term success. Okay, so we just finished the part of the introduction of our products, and now let's talk about how to get a great result if you use our scanners. So firstly, let's talk about the preparation part for our scan. So as the saying goes, where begun is half done. So before we start scan, make sure our customer feel comfortable and have an overview to know what kind of case is it. And then please clean the customer's oral to remove such as blood and saliva to get a better scan result. And when you are using this to do scan, a proper scan steps would be very helpful for acquiring good results. Normally, I recommend you to follow these steps. Firstly, scan the maxillofacial and keep your scanners to be parallel to the maxillofacial. Then scan the palatal, and in the end, scan the facial side as the picture shown. You can see here, right? We first scan this, and then just let's turn our scanners to our palatal, and we move from this point to this one, and then we just scan our facial in the end. And when you do this scanning, please be sure to keep your customer to be comfortable and relaxed, to let them to be more cooperative. Also, please move the scanner slowly and keep an eye with the data shown on the screen to improve the data acquisition. And now let's talk about the data validation. For example, in restoration cases, if the margin line is not clear, the possibility of fail for this case would be higher, right? And here I show you some commonly seen case for unclear margin line. For example, sometimes it's obstructed by the gums, or the retraction cord has covered the shoulder, like the picture 1 and picture 2 shown. Or you may get a blurry abutment margin, so mostly it's because the gums are swollen or bleeding. And my suggestion would be wait 2 days before taking impression, or use a small amount of a infilling to reduce the swelling. Okay, and then here are some undercuts happen in different cases, such as single crown, veneer, and inlay. So in that case, we should know undercuts can occur due to improper inspection after tooth preparation, misaligned teeth, or not considering the common paths of insertion during preparation for a splinting crown. So do better in the preparation step to avoid this kind of problems. And sometimes we will also check the occlusion. A improper occlusion during scanning can occur if the patient subconsciously opens their bite due to discomfort, or if they bite too hard. And